Florida Instructional Materials Center for the Visually Impaired, serving Florida since 1972. Made in partnership with the Florida Instructional Materials Center to reinforce concept development in a musical way. Water Music Part 2, Water Piano. You can find us at givingtreemusic.com. Hi everybody, this is Mr. Steve from Giving Tree Music, and I'm excited to be with you in my kitchen again today because I'm bringing you Water Music Part 2. Today we're going to experiment with building a water piano. We're going to use some different sounds that are related to water, and we're going to learn a little bit more about how sound works and how water affects sound. We're going to start today with this metal cup. It's empty. I'm going to go ahead and put half a cup of water into it. This is a half cup measuring cup. I'll take that water and I'll pour it right into the metal cup. And let's have a listen to what it sounds like. It's a nice sound. Let's add another half a cup of water. 2 half cups of water make 1 whole cup of water. Have a listen now. Do you notice what's happening? Let's add another half a cup of water, making it 1.5 cups total. Let's listen to it first before I add this. Now here is adding another half cup of water. So we've done 3 half cups of water, making 1.5 cups total. Let's listen now. Do you notice that the pitch or the tone of the sound goes down the more water we add? The more water we add, the more the sound or the pitch goes down. Let's put 1 more half a cup of water in it. And have a listen. And it sounds like this. Notice it's even lower. You see, sound is a vibration, and it travels through the air just fine, but water slows it down. And the slower that sound wave or that vibration gets, the deeper the pitch will be, the deeper the sound will be. So I'm gonna take some of these different cups and glasses that you see here, and I'm gonna put a piece of music together here using what you see in front of you. I'm gonna play with chopsticks. So I used a metal cup. I used a glass. I used 2 smaller glasses. And I used another metal cup that's smaller, but it's thicker, so it should have a lower sound. Because sound is vibration and it's a wave. If it has to travel through something, it almost always gets deeper in sound. I hope you guys enjoy this piece of music coming up. Listen real careful for these sounds that I just showed you. A metal glass or a metal cup, a glass, 2 smaller glasses, and a second metal cup. And of course, for all of my sound detectives out there, I snuck in an extra sound for you guys to sniff out. So let me know on the other side if you were able to find and hear that secret sound inside this piece of music, and we'll talk about it over there. I hope you guys enjoy this and have a wonderful time. Thank you. Water Music Part 2, Water Piano. Welcome back and thank you for being here. I had a really fun time making that video for you, and I hope that you enjoyed listening to it as well. What I did is I took a few different size cups and glasses and I filled them with different amounts of water to create a water piano for you. Now, the more water you add to any cup or glass, the deeper the pitch will go, usually. So let's review what we did. We took a regular size drinking glass and we filled it about halfway with water, and it sounded like this. We also took two short little glasses and filled them almost all the way with water, and they sounded like this. We also had a large metal cup. It was filled about halfway, maybe a little bit more with water, and it sounded like this. And we had a smaller metal cup, and it was filled just about halfway as well, and it sounded like this. Now, I wonder if all of my sound hounds out there were able to sniff out the secret sound, because I snuck something in there, something I didn't tell you about on the front side. That's right, I took the larger metal cup and I filled it most of the way with water, and then I slowly poured it out while I tapped on it. The less water was in the cup, the higher the pitch got, because the sound waves weren't as slowed down when there was less water. Therefore, the sound was higher pitch. That's right, it sounded like this. Did you notice how the sound went up as I poured the water out? Pretty cool. Well, I hope you've had as much fun as me. I've had a great time. Thank you so much for being here. I want you to go look in your kitchen and see if you can find a few cups or glasses and something small like a pencil or a pen, and experiment with different amounts of water in your water piano until you find a sound that you like. Then you can play this video all over again and jam with me. I hope you have some fun. Thank you for being here. I can't wait to come back and see you again. Make sure you make every day the best day possible. This is Mr. Steve from Giving Tree Music, and I'll be back soon. Water Music Part 2, Water Piano. You can find us at givingtreemusic.com.